Hey guys, welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Ronnie. This is the New York session. Guys, welcome. We continued off of, we did London last night. So this is New York. In about 10 minutes, we're going to have some volatility opening up at 8:30 a.m. And then we're going to walk into New York Stock Exchange going into 9:30 a.m. So welcome everybody. Let's see who's here. Lutern, what's up back? Epic, yeah, you're back. Nice. You gathered 5 people to watch your stream. Amazing. Thank you. We appreciate that. Nolu, hello from South Africa. Thank you, Epic Baba. We appreciate that. Um, South Africa in the house. Amazing. Guys, let's get into this. Okay, so last night we charted gold during London session. We caught this buy. We caught the breakout right there at 3 a.m. We caught this buy for about 20 pips on gold, and it started to retrace back into here. It started to hold support. We continued to move up again. This was after the call when we finished. We were watching for this key level to break here at 1773. We just got it to break a little bit right here. So when it broke, how low did we drop? This was our next daily support on gold right here, 1781.80, and we just broke below it real quick. It was an impulse break below to 1771, and then it pushed up. This is the volatility we're going to get now, going into New York session right here. So we will be seeing, we'll see what happens here when markets open up. But I can see that we do have a big supply zone right by that 200-day moving average, like right up here. Okay, this was last night. We were trying to break this area, but we couldn't get the break. Okay, so this is a big supply zone. So, and it's right at that 200-day. The price is around 1777. So if we can break above 1777, we'll possibly be looking for a buy on gold up there. But again, we're going to wait for confirmation too, guys. We're not just going to rush into buys. We're not taking impulse trades. We're going to wait for volume to close up there, and then we could look for a buy situation, okay? But we could also see gold start getting rejected up here and then come back through this area, and then maybe we're going to look for a sell situation coming down here below 1773, okay? So we'll set up our charts, guys, real quick. Our charts were set up from last night. We were trading London session. So we'd be looking for a move in here. Possibly we can start to break down there, guys. Okay, we did our analysis last night. We also had Sunday night forecast, so we've done a lot. We've done a lot of analysis, a lot of technicals. Now let's just see if price action can follow through with it. Okay, so this is the move we're looking for. We're looking for a bearish move to break below here, impulse break, possibly retest this area, then we're looking for that big push down, okay? And then again, test that resistance at the daily, and hopefully we can break down and come down like this. If we're looking bullish, okay, if it goes bullish up here, we're looking for the impulse break up here, volume to close, and then we're looking for this push, a little bit of pullback, and then to get up to that next daily resistance. Okay, so, and then the areas that we're looking for, this area is approximately 1773 area, and then the bullish area up here is 1777 we're looking for, okay? Henning, what's up? Welcome back. Madcap, what's up, bro? Ankit, welcome back. Axel, I just had like a 3 hour sleep. It wasn't much of a sleep. It was but it is what it is. But let's watch this open here. I'm gonna go for about 2 hours till about 10:30, guys, and then I'm gonna call it quits after this session. Okay. Yeah, did you guys catch that the US30 drop? Okay, so we also did US30 last night. It was right here, okay? So see what we did? We followed the US30. I mentioned to the guys, watch 35,415. Here it is. And when we had the volume close right there, this was after the call, guys. This was 6 a.m. So this was the New York Open. You got that nice drop. How low did it drop down to? All the way down to our next zone 35,317. So that was a nice drop on the US30. We charted it last night. We were looking for that move in London. We couldn't get it. That was approximately 90 pips, guys. 90 pip drop. Pablo, congratulations, bro, if you got that. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on now. So, so from that big sell-off, it recovered. That's why, guys, you gotta be scaling out. Okay, you know the rule. Anytime you get into big profits, scale out 75-80% and leave a small break-even runner, because if you don't take your profits, it can find a support down here, and look, it can come all the way back to where it started. Okay, you never want to give up that many pips. But we're slowly now breaking down. So it came back down, created now a new lower low right here. Okay, from here, it pulled back. This pullback right here is a lower high. Okay, it's a lower high from here and here. So now we have a bearish candle. Now we got consolidation down at the bottom. Okay, so what I can do now on US30, I see, yeah, it's breaking down, but it could quite possibly break down even further. Okay, so we could box that area in there. And then we also have our daily support down here at 35,344. Okay, so if this continues to get bullish and start to break out, but again, remember, RSI is that really weak right here. It's at 35. It would need some momentum to come back up, and we could see US30 recover back up here. After all this consolidation, if we start to move out of here with some nice volume, we could potentially see a move forming to the upside. And then we could start to look for something in here. Maybe we could get it to come back up to that 200A. Okay, that's a stretch, you know. We'll see. And then if it can move up there, then it could continue. We've seen lots go on with the US30. Okay, but that would be a bullish move going up. Again, we're not going to fall for it. Right now it's 830. Okay, so the volatility will be here. And then if we get the breakdown, we're going to watch for a sell down in this area. Okay, and then also we'll break below a daily support level. There was our 5-minute right there support right there, that wick. And then if we break below that, guys, then here's where we can come down to. Okay, it will be below this right there, and the next area will be right there, 35,291. And then one more area of significance that I'm going to chart is right there. Okay, so that would be our chart right there. And remember, guys, we're going to wait for volume to close above or below these areas. Okay, it's very important. We got, now it came down, picked up liquidity, and now it could be coming up to break this area. You could have an impulse break right here. Okay, but we're going to wait for volume to close, guys. We're patient, we're disciplined traders. So we'll wait. Okay, it's better to wait than just take rush trades. Okay, if you take a rush trade, you could get in and then it could come right back down bearish on you. Okay, so it's better to be safe. Just wait. This will be the big break, 35,350, and then we're looking for volume to get above 365 for a potential buy on the US30. Okay. Pablo, you think it will go down? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This could be just a pull up, a pullback coming back up, and then we could catch some resistance up here, especially at this level, and sellers could keep it down. But this candle will tell us a lot. Remember, guys, this is just the open of the 830. Okay, so there's a lot of volatility, but we do have a range on this candle. It came all the way up here. It came all the way down here, and the body is very thin right now. Okay, so it's like an indecision candle. It's like a spin top candle. But again, we didn't fall for that. Okay, that was just an impulse break. But now they could be pushing it below here. Okay, so we could be getting ready for the sell situation down here. Okay, and similar to gold, what we're looking for is we're looking for that move to come out, volume to close above. We're looking for the retest candle to get up to here, possibly a pullback and get it up to this price. Okay, for the bullish momentum of US30. If we go bearish, guys, what we're looking for is An impulse candle breaking below here, possibly break below this daily support, and then maybe we're looking for a pull back up here, back down to this level. Some buyers come in there and then take it down to here. Okay, so that's US30, guys. Um, I'm gonna just check gold. So we charted gold. Gold's breaking out above here. Okay, so this was from last night, guys. Okay, 1777. I'm still holding that position there. Okay, so we never got it last night all throughout London. If we do get some nice bullish momentum, we could break through that supply zone. And again, I'll be looking for a buy up there at 1777. I'll be watching price action. I might lower it depending on the price action, but I still like to be bullish above 1777. It's not too far away. It's only about 10-15 pips away. So we could very well get that on on gold. US30, I'm going to stay with this right now because this candle is going to close in a 1 minute. See how it's still consolidating in here? That's a no trade zone in there. Jeff, welcome. Good morning. Yeah, I had a great weekend. Thank you. Pablo, all this Afghanistan thing will affect the markets. Absolutely, guys. If you guys are not familiar with what Pablo is talking about in Afghanistan, late last night we had news come out of Afghanistan that Taliban have taken over the U.S. embassy in Afghanistan. So that will have big impacts on the markets, guys. So that is big world news, and we'll see what type of impact that has on the news, on the economy. Okay, the U.S. dollar, everything. We'll watch DXY as well this morning, guys. 56 viewers. Thank you very much. We appreciate you guys. If I can get you guys just to like this channel to help us get trending, we would really appreciate that, guys. Um, there goes gold, guys. Gold is breaking out. Gold is breaking out. Okay. There goes gold. Finally, it broke out above this area. Okay, it's been a long time. This was the beginning of London session. Okay, this is our first volume close breakout up here. Okay, this could be the retest candle we're getting right here, guys. Okay, so you gotta follow here for a retest. Okay, sometimes they don't always come right back down to this zone. They could continue right off of this big bullish candle, but you gotta watch how it develops. Okay. Sometimes if it doesn't come down to retest, like right there, it came down to 1778. Okay, it came down to retest, um, or sometimes they'll just continue right off of it, right off of bullish momentum. You'll see it's ignited candle. It's got a lot of bullish momentum. There's no sellers pushing it down. It's all buyers, and they could take it from here to our next zone. Okay, to 1780, guys. We could potentially get up to 1780. If you guys do get into a buy, guys, place your stop loss below here. Okay, so you're protected by this demand zone. And guys, I just got to throw it out there. Dave and I are not financial license advisors. Okay, when you're trading, it's at your own risk. We provide trading education. Please, guys, we are not licensed financial advisors, so just keep that in mind. Everything here is for educational value. We do take trades ourselves, but again, trade with caution, guys. If you have any questions and you need to ask, contact your financial advisor about anything about the markets. Okay. So we have our first volume close above this supply zone since London, guys. This is big for gold. Okay. And then we can also look at possibly drawing a trend line now. Okay. So we'll draw a trend line from down here all the way where we're at. Okay, so as long as we stay above this yellow line, this trend line, we should continue to be bullish. Okay, this could start printing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, all we have to do is continue moving. Our RSI is starting to get overbought up here, guys, so it may need to cool off. So we might see gold fall back down to this demand zone now, and possibly this trend line. Okay, because it is starting to get overbought up there at 71, 72, but it can still have potential to move, guys. This is now New York session, so we've seen where RSI can go up to 75, 80, 85 on 5 minutes, okay? But there could be a little bit of a pullback to cool off this RSI before its next move, guys, okay? Noor, what's up? How are you, brother? I missed some sessions due to exams. No worries. Exams always come before trading. Trading is always here, guys. School is number one. Finish your school, get your exams done. The market's going nowhere. We'll always be here trading, Noor. Exams are number one, okay? Make it nice. What's up, bro? I'm with you, bud. Running off 3 hours and some pips. Yeah, that's the adrenaline, guys. Sometimes we gotta put in the work, get only 3 hours sleep, and be back at it. Okay, the pips will give us adrenaline. Okay, so gold is looking good, guys. Gold is looking good above this area. We waited all like you see, London. I was targeting this area, but we never got it. We got the break on gold. Yes, that was the break. Really nice break down here, but. This is could be going bullish, okay? Pablo, we get a few hours sleep. That's all we get, guys. As traders, guys, if you want to trade multiple sessions, you got to understand, like London, then if you get unless you're doing a full session London and you're trading all the way through New York, I used to do that, but not anymore. I like to do like open sessions, and gold is looking nice, guys. Let me go back to US30, guys. So US30, it's still consolidating in here. We're not touching US30 until we get a break above 35,365 or we get a bearish break below 35,350. Okay, so that's US30 and gold. Okay, I'm going to stay with gold for a little bit because we're potentially getting up to 1780 up here. Okay, but guys, if you grab some quick pips, like right in here to where we're at, you should be securing because this thing is starting to get overbought. It could fall back. I would definitely. This is a 20 pip move, guys. 21 pips. I would 100% secure some pips here, especially 70-80%. I would always secure, especially when we're getting into overbought conditions. Because see that wick? It can come down. This can be a red bearish candle coming down. I would 100%, guys, secure some pips up here. Okay. Pablo, you're in Europe, yeah. Nice, guys. We're London is a tough session for us over here in Ontario, Canada, because London session opens at 3 a.m. Eastern for us, so it's it's right in the middle of the night for us. But you gotta appreciate what we're doing for you guys. Okay, that was a bonus London session. We come into New York, and Dave is gonna be doing Tokyo, guys. So just 65 viewers, guys. If you can please get those likes up. We will continue to do this as long as the likes are there. You guys are getting good content, good value out of this channel. We appreciate that. Henning, you grabbed 13 pips on gold. Perfect. Okay, and secure 70-80% of those pips, and then leave maybe a small runner with a break-even stop loss. Okay, if gold continues to move up, this is going to be a big level. 1780 is a big level, guys. If we can break and we can hold above 1780, oh man, maybe we could get up to 1800. Maybe gold could push up to 1800, you know? But this is a big level to get and close above 1780. But our RSI is overbought up here. You got to still respect that it's 73. It could fall back. What I'm trying to see is maybe some consolidation up here. We finally broke. It took us all night to break through there. We haven't broke through there all London. Look, all London, New York. We dropped. So this is where we're getting nice momentum on gold. US30, guys. Okay, US30 starting to, there goes US30, guys. This is the impulse candle. Okay, you see that we didn't have the volume close on that candle. This was just the open, and there's the break. Okay, so 35,365 up to 380. There's a 15 pip break right there on US30, guys. Okay, and sometimes it happens, guys, where we don't get the volume to close, but then we get the continuation. So you got to feel out the price action, guys. You got to feel it out. So if you do take this initial impulse buy, what I would do is, guys, place your stop loss below here. You're below the consolidation box on the 5 minutes, and we do have this yellow line, which is daily support. I would place my stop loss below this 345, below that yellow line, and I would ride this momentum up. And we can also catch the next candle, okay? So for the guys that got in right away on impulse and you're up 15 pips right now, congrats. Let's try and bank a little more, and then we'll also do the follow-up candle. That's going to open in about 2 minutes, okay? So see how I box these in, and then I play the breakouts, okay? Epic Baba, I've joined your Telegram group. Do you also provide signals on Telegram? I've subscribed to so many channels and wasted a lot, but your live session is really amazing. Yeah, from time to time we'll post a trade idea in the free Telegram group, but we mostly save all of our trade ideas for our snipers that join the sniper team. But definitely we'll post something in there to show you a typical trade that we take. Yeah, we'll show something in there. Jimmy, is it too late to buy gold? We're trading candle by candle, okay? So we're trading candle by candle on gold. We'll take a look, okay? Wow, gold is really, really pushing, guys. Look at that, okay? Beautiful push. I believe it's too late to buy on gold. I would definitely not be a buyer up here. The buy was right here or right here, okay? It's overextended right now, okay? Look at the RSI. It's pushing 78 now, okay? So you don't want to be a buyer up here, because what that is FOMO buying. FOMO. That's fear of missing out. And then you'll be a buyer up here, and then it'll start to pull back, and you don't want to be part of that, okay? We'll look for another gold buy opportunity when RSI cools off, and we'll watch the volume, okay? But never, never, ever chase the top. As a scalper, never chase the top, okay? You could always look for another trade, a reversal, a pullback. We could look for a different pair, okay? But rule number one, don't always chase the top, guys. Okay, how high can this go to? Wow, look at up here, okay? So we're coming to this area, okay? Exactly right there. We just hit that take profit right there, okay? Guys, this is a really, really nice breakout on gold. I really like it, guys. Congratulations to everybody that took this and in profits, guys. It's nothing wrong with securing profits, okay? That's the whole point of scalping, guys. We try to secure pips, okay? Now it's coming down. New candle, okay? Okay, and then our next level is up here, 1782, almost 1783. Okay, that's what started this whole downtrend, was up here when it pulled back up here and it came all the way down. Okay, so we could have a full 100% retracement, and we could go into this area, guys. 1783 on gold. Okay. So look at it. It opened red. Our new 5-minute candle opened up red. It's a small doji candle. Lots of indecision, but it's trying to. Sellers are trying to push it down, which it could come down to this level, 1780.40. Possibly it could come back down to 1779 down here. Okay. So secure pips, guys. I cannot stress this enough on these calls. Secure pips. 70-80% secure. Leave a small break-even runner, because look where the breakout was. Right there to there, guys. Guys, that's 35 pips. 35 pips, okay? Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, guys. I'm telling you, because I've seen it multiple times where we'll get a red candle that will come all the way down and take away those pips, okay? Don't be part of that. Secure, especially 36 pips, secure 80% of that, guys, okay? Epic, you booked $9 profit. Perfect. Okay, just keep compounding the pips. Keep growing your accounts, guys. Not everybody is trading with $100,000 accounts. Okay, we got a lot of small account traders. $9 is big profits for your smaller accounts. Okay, congrats. Gold is holding. Profit is only a profit when you bank it. Exactly. So when you bank it, with taking 80% off the top, then it's banked, and then you leave a small runner. But if you leave open positions, one red candle can come down and take out everything. Okay. Make it nice. Secure profits. There will always be more trades is a great lesson to learn from the team. Yes, there's guys. We scalp the markets. We do all sessions. Okay, so there's gonna be multiple trades to make. So if you get into a trade, you go up 10, 20, 30 pips. Bank those. That's the way how you can compound your accounts and grow your accounts. Okay, there's no other way to do that if you're not banking your profits. Okay. Um, it's not a realized profit until you actually realize it. Okay, everything else is just unrealized. Okay, that's a great quote right there. Okay, everything is unrealized until you actually realize the gains. Okay, so and it's always nice for your confidence. It's nice for your account when you start to secure some profits. And there's nothing wrong with leaving a small runner. If gold continues to run, yeah, we'll have our runner, and then we'll identify new areas where we could also get into new buys. Okay, but the breakout was right there. I had it from last night, guys. If you joined us with London, all the London guys that were with me last night knew. I said watch above this area for a buy, but we never got it on London. London came down. Okay, um, but see now how it's a bearish candle coming down. That's why, guys, don't get greedy. You'll learn your lesson the hard way, guys. Believe me. Bears make money. Bears make money. Bulls make money, and pigs get slaughtered in markets like this. Don't be a greedy pig, guys. Um, can we go for a gold sell when touch 1783? Yeah. Like that's a good area. Okay. So if we were to come up here and touch 1783, that would be a nice sell. But see, that was my next zone up there. What I had. Okay. Um, if you see, that's on the daily, guys. So that's we did Sunday night forecast on Sunday night before we did the London session. So Dave and I we do a lot for you guys. Um, Up here was the daily area 1784. Okay, so if volume can break above there, we're gonna get a new daily high, and we could potentially move up. But there could be a rejection coming up at 1784. Okay, if we don't get that momentum to break up there, we could look for a selling opportunity. Okay, but they're cooling off the RSI. As they're cooling off the RSI, it came down. It's got some buyers continuing to come in and buy here. That's what's forming that wick. But as long as it stays with a red head of a volume down here, we could come down and fill this wick. Okay, but I don't get greedy. I secure profits on there, and then I regroup. I watch then the consolidation period after that run. Epic, can I get a discount if two of my brother and sister joins your training, bro? Everything is just set up right now at $29.99 a month. But send us a DM. We can see what we can do for you. But it's just set up standard $29.99. There's no discount coupon codes as of now. But good idea. Let me talk with Dave about that, and maybe we'll offer something for you guys. But we feel that $1 a day is a good value to take your trading to the next level and get full mentorship from Dave and I. Get the tutorials, courses, be part of our webinars, our live trading sessions we do with Zoom. We do power hour trading now. 2 days a week we're going to start it. That's from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. That's market close. That was a suggestion from one of our snipers, and we listened, and we offer now power hour scalp sessions from end of the day. Yeah, so it's really good. Alicia, how are you? Good morning, Alicia. She's one of our members. She's doing really well with her account, so good for you, Alicia. Um, Guys, I'm going to go take a look at US30 while gold is pulling back. Okay, so US30, we just need to continue to stay. This was the arrow I had, breaking out, coming back down, and it's right on the arrow. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a trend line now from here, this wick, coming up. Okay, so as long as we stay above this yellow line, we can continue to be bullish on US30. We just got to get above here, 35,383, so that we can create a new higher high, and we can continue pushing up bullish. Okay, we do have higher lows off the bottom, which is really nice. We're at this critical area on US30. If we can break above 50 on the RSI, this is where we're going to get a really nice bullish momentum. Okay, but this is everything. We need this RSI. We need buyers to come in here and break 50, this psychological level on RSI. Then our strength will increase, the momentum will increase, we'll make a new higher high, and we could potentially get up to here. We could push up to 35,400, okay? This is this is big, guys. Okay, because again, we're in all-time high territories up here. Okay, but we can continue to push up. It came down, consolidated. We cut the breakout right here. Just need this push up here to get to 35,400. Okay. Yeah, we'll welcome him, Epic Baba Ephraim. He'll be welcome to the team with. We'll welcome him. We'll show him the ropes. Okay, guys, we appreciate that. 69 viewers. Thank you very much, guys. If we can just get the likes up, guys, we would really appreciate that. It helps us get these channels trending. You guys can grow this channel with us. You guys are all part of it. I believe we just hit over 1,400 subscribers, which is amazing, guys. Congratulations to us. Thank you guys for helping out. That's a big milestone for Dave and I. We were above 1,400 is big, guys. We're approaching 2,000 subs very soon. Okay, so thank you guys for all of that. Guys, 39 likes. Come on, let's get these likes up. There's 70 of you guys on the call. I'm sure that you guys are liking this free education. Just hit that like button. That's all we ask in return. I'm on a few hours sleep, guys. A lot of the guys on the call were with me during London. We went to sleep for like 2 or 3 hours, and we all came back. So, Effie, that's you, bro. Yeah, we'll see you soon. Yeah, welcome to the team. Um, but you see, okay, so US30 is now catching some resistance up here. It may pull back, guys, but we gotta hold this trend line. Okay, it's a indecision candle right now, but we need to hold up there. Okay, and you see how we're not breaking above that 50. Okay, so it might come back down to pick up some strength down here. The price action might need to pick up some more liquidity down here before we can get that nice US30 break up here. Okay. Yeah, we can't wait to have you on the team, Effie. Thanks. Okay, guys, let's take a look at DXY. This is the US dollar index. Okay, we charted this week. I wanted to follow this US dollar index. Okay, so we made a move. New York session, they pushed the US dollar up, but now we're coming right back down. Okay, so that's what's causing the market to correct itself right now. Gold, see gold falling back. I told you guys, do not always secure book profits. That was a 35 pip move breakout. Always secure some profits, okay? Leave a small runner after, okay? Worst case scenario is it just comes down at your break even stop loss on your small runner, but 35 pips, you banked 80% of that, okay? You guys got to get in the habit of trading like that, okay? And you will grow your accounts, guys, believe me. Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq. This was from last night. We were looking at Nasdaq. Okay, so this was a consolidation zone from London. This was the break at London. We had it charted, the break, okay? Then it consolidated right at 200 and then it dropped. This is New York open, 6 a.m. Big drop. It recovered. It came up here. And we could be looking for the next leg coming down. So on here on Nasdaq, what we could be looking for is, I'm just going to clean up the charts, guys. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, let's clean up these charts. Okay, so what we can see is I can see consolidation down here at the bottom, and we'll see what happens down here. Okay, and if we lose this right here, 15,070, this is our daily support, 15,064. If we break below there, price action is going to come down to this area on Nasdaq. Okay, right there, 15,057. Next area will be right here, 15,050. And then one more area of significance is right here. Okay, that's good enough for me. Now I kind of have some levels if Nasdaq goes bearish. Okay, so what I'm looking for is consolidation right in here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm boxing this price action in here. I'm looking for the move to break out up here, or to come back and be bearish down below here. Okay, so I would be looking for a possible sell entry, 15,070 in there. Okay, and I would look for price action to continue to break below that daily yellow line, and possibly we could see Nasdaq push down to here today. Okay, um, guys, there was no news this morning, no big news. I'll show you Forex Factory. So markets are a little slow. Okay, there's no big news. Tomorrow morning, New York session tomorrow, there's big news. Okay, so you'll see big volatility tomorrow morning. And then what I'm looking for is a buy, possible buy up above this area, and maybe we can come back up to the 200 up here. Okay, so this is kind of like a little trade idea for Nasdaq. And then this area is 15,088, and then the bearish move will be down here at this level. Okay, 15,070, 071. Russia, what is your setting for the indicator? I use RSI. I keep it at default. It oscillates between 0 and 100. I keep it on the 14-day. But what I do is I place a 50 line right in the middle, the psychological 50, because I like to see if strength will be bullish or bearish below, above or below the 50. It's a psychological level. That's what I add onto the chart, and I look for breaks there. Okay. So see how it came up bullish. It came up from the bottom, 30 came up, but it got rejected at 50, and that's why we're having Nasdaq coming down now. Okay, that's why we couldn't break above here, because we need that strength to be above 50 to start getting stronger to get into this area. Okay, so good question. US30. Let's just check out US30. Okay, so US30, it's coming back down to test. This is like another retest. It's coming back down to test this level where it all started, where we had the breakout. So this is a retest. So we're having buyers stepping in again. This was a big red bearish candle that came down to here. Now it's picking up a little bit of buyers because you can see that they're pushing it up. This is a rejection wick, but what we need is we need the volume to get above here so we can continue to be bullish. Okay, but it's still ranging around in here, in this bullish territory. But we broke a trend line. Okay, so we got to get rid of this trend line now. That broke, so we no longer have this uptrend forming. Okay, so now we got to get a new uptrend. There we go. See the bullish candle? So this came back. The pullback came down to our buy entry area, and it picked up buyers again down here. So it's safe to say that this is a good support area. We made this pin bar candlestick, and now we could be getting bullish momentum. We gotta just try and break this 50, guys. If we can break 50 on the RSI, then we're gonna get some really nice momentum coming up to here. Okay, but if we can't break 50, then it's gonna be a rejection wick, and price action is gonna come down, and it could quite possibly come back into this accumulation distribution area. Okay, so this is big, guys. If we can break 50 RSI, okay, this will either break bullish or it's gonna break down bearish right here. Okay, so that's the US30, guys. Odello, does DXY affect indices? DXY affects everything in the market. DXY is a market mover. It's the US dollar. It affects all currency pairs you're trading. It affects indices. It affects gold. It affects cryptocurrency. It affects everything. So if we have a really bearish US dollar, it will impact the markets in an opposite direction. If we have a very positive, strong US dollar, it will correlate with whatever you're trading as well. Okay, good questions. Let's take a look at our gold. Okay, so gold too. Okay, so we broke out of here. Okay, broke out. Told you guys secure some profits because the pullback could come all the way back down. So this is like a healthy pullback. We cooled off the RSI because remember the RSI got overextended up to here, 78. Now we pulled back down to 60. That's a nice RSI correction. So now we're starting to pick up buyers again down here. Now we could go for the next leg up. So we just need to get increased buyers, and we could push back up to 1781. Hopefully we can break above here and go up to this area, 1783, and that will create new higher highs, okay? But you can see both US30 and gold came down to this level. We're picking up a little bit of buyers, but ultimately we're going to follow the volume, okay? The volume dictates everything, guys. Okay, so US30 now continuing to go bullish. There we go. Finally, we broke this area. This was an area of resistance. Now you see how the RSI is breaking above 50. Now we're getting a nice strong bullish candle here, guys. Okay, so we broke out. It came retested. We use this area now as support. Before it was resistance. Now we use it as support. And then that's why we got a nice follow through candle up here. Okay. Guys, a lot of free education here for scalping. 82 viewers, please help me out. Get these likes up, guys. If you guys enjoy these YouTube channels, just we get into trades, guys. We walk you through trades. You guys are welcome to ask us questions. You know, we try our best to answer all the questions in the chat. We address you personally. We give you guys shout outs. So just help us out here, guys, with the likes. You guys can be part of this channel trending. It's fun when it gets trending. And then YouTube starts to recommend this to other traders. There could be other traders out there that are looking for some guidance, that are looking for some technical analysis, that are looking for some live trading. And then this will help, maybe we'll get recommended to their playlist. Okay, so we really appreciate that, guys. Thank you. So let's take a look here. So Nasdaq, Nasdaq is pushed down back into this zone. Similar, very similar. We had the bullish move, pull back, and then Nasdaq could be going bullish again. Resha, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Every sub helps, guys, grow the channel. We just broke over 1400 last night during London. So we appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for everything. Okay, so gold is moving again, guys. Okay, so all we need is gold to do is break above 1781, our previous high right here, to create a new higher high, and then we could very well go right back up here, 1783. Remember, guys, when we did our Sunday night forecast, 1783.84 up here, this is a daily resistance. If we can get in here on our 5-minute candles, oh man, gold could possibly continue to move, guys. We might even see 1800 coming this week, guys. Okay, and this is, we're following it candle by candle, 5 minutes by 5 minutes. Okay. DXY is affected from the currencies made. Yeah, DXY affects everything, guys. It affects everything. Detrius, what's up, bro? Yo, man, late to the party, just arrived. Where's the background vibes? I got here I slept for like 3 hours. I just woke up. I jumped down here. I didn't even have time to set up the vibes in the background, but I didn't want to miss the 8:30 move, guys. So we'll get the vibes going. Okay, so it moved up. We couldn't break above there. Remember, volume is most important, guys. We need volume to break above key levels. This red line right here, 1780.34, that was a previous 5-minute resistance. Okay, we couldn't get the volume on that candle. That's why we're seeing bearish momentum come right here. And now we're looking for support. We're looking for a wick somewhere in here to continue this momentum coming up. Okay, so we'll see. We'll follow gold as well, but we just need a move to break above here, and we can continue going higher. We're getting a little bit of a wick that's representing some buyers down here, so it is a higher low from down here. Okay, so that's good. See how we're holding right there, and now we just got to flip this candle from red and turn it into a hammer candle. We just got to flip the bearish volume into buying volume. Okay, that's all taking place in this 5-minute candle. We have a lot of time left, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Lots can happen in this candle. Okay, let's check out what are we checking out? US30. Okay, US30 still holding. Okay, We could also start a trend line for our US30 right here, and as long as it stays above here, we could continue to walk it up. Okay, this is a key area for US30 to break right now, right up here, 35,384. Okay, 385. If we can break above there, we just had that impulse break, but that's good. That impulse break created a higher high. All we need now is to continue to pick up some buyers here, momentum, so that we can get this break above 50, how gold did. We need volume, guys. We need buyers, okay? There we go. So that's a nice flip. We're catching some support right here at 373. We just need to flip this candle into a bullish pin bar and possibly turn it into a hammer, and then we can continue to move up with buying volume into this area on US30, on gold, similar. Let's see, gold. So gold is similar too, okay? So we're picking up some liquidity down here and we're looking to make the move. Okay, guys, and it's nine, almost 10 after 9. So in 20 minutes, we're gonna have the New York Stock Exchange open. So we're gonna see some increased volatility during that session as well. Okay, so this is leading up to the New York Stock Exchange open, NYSE. So we'll have also some increased volatility at that session as well. Okay. But guys, this is basically how you trade candle by candle, how you dissect candles. You got to understand what they're doing, okay? It takes time to learn this craft, but once you learn it, you guys can really finesse the markets anytime, guys. Price action is king. It's a million times better than all these technical indicators. I just use this RSI technical indicator for strength and momentum, but I do not use it for entries or exits or anything like that. I follow price action. Okay, so do you see how that candle came down bearish? It picked up liquidity down here. We maintained a higher low, and then now it turned into a hammer candle, and now we're pushing very bullish. As soon as we broke above that previous wick, we have now a new higher high. So we could continue to push. Next target is up here for the 35,400 that we're looking at. Okay, that will be a really, really nice move, guys. There we go. So see how US30 slowly is getting bullish. Now our strength is above 50. So what we need is to get it above this area right here, 57. That was the previous high on this momentum right here. So if we can break above there, there goes our US30, guys. This is beautiful. Congrats to everybody still in this trade. There it goes. 35,400 right there, guys. Okay, so it just tapped 35,400. That's a profit take up there, guys. That's congratulations. That's a profit take. Let's grab our tape from the entry right here, guys. Entry to there. That's 35 pips, guys. 35 pips. Secure 75-80%. Leave a small runner, guys. That's a 35 pip move from down here. Okay, so that's a really nice move. You see how it developed? It broke out, it pulled back, it used this area for support. Okay, this was previous resistance, now it acts as support. We had buyers come in and slowly continue to gain momentum. I was waiting for this 50 break. We got it right there. Okay, next break will be right here. If we can break above 57.58, that was the previous high on strength and momentum. Okay, I'll take a look at gold 1 second, guys. Gold, similar move. Okay, so gold, same move. It pulled back. We picked up new buyers down here. We cooled off the RSI from the top. That's what I told you. There would be a pullback. Obviously, we do have to cool off that RSI. But if you follow what it's doing, now the RSI came down to about 59, which is a higher low. And we picked up new buyers down there. We're in bullish territory. That's why I like to see if we're above 50, that psychological level. We made a new high up there, 1781.65. All we need now is the volume to come up and close above here, and then we could possibly make our way to 1783. Okay, but that's a really good move on gold as well, guys. Okay, let's see here. Do you take the trades? Yeah, we take trades. We take trades, but it's hard for me to flip flop because I'm trying to chart for people when they're telling me other pairs and things like that. So sometimes when I give you guys these targets are for you. Put them on your charts and follow them. Sometimes guys give me heads up. They're like, okay, gold's breaking out. I'll flip back to gold. But yeah, we do trade live, guys. We do trade live. We do show it in the free FX group that we're trading. But we're multitasking here. We're doing a lot of things, guys. So. But we do trade here behind scenes, yes. Um, Epic, thanks man, just booked $80 on buy. Don't want to be greedy as you said. Perfect, okay? There you go. Epic Baba, congratulations, bro. Just booked 80 US dollars, and that's great. Just $80 here, maybe another $80 on another trade, another $80, and you can easily make 200-300 US dollars a day, okay? But there's no one said there's anything wrong with taking profits, okay? I haven't met one person yet. If you take profits, that's why we trade. That's why we scalp the markets. At the end of the day, it's to make profits. It's not just to watch candles move up and down, and when you go blue on MT4, to not take profits. Number one thing, also another important thing while you're trading is to learn risk management, to learn account management, to learn proper entries, but it's also to learn exits. How, when you're in a trade, when you're in profits, how do you properly exit the trade? Yeah, you can close the entire position. That's one thing you can do. But another thing that you can do is take partial profits, 70-80%, and then leave a small runner. What if gold or US30 continues to go up? Look at it going up. This is beautiful, guys. Okay, so, and we've only charted right now gold, US30. We're in profits on both, and Nasdaq we did really quick. Nasdaq too. So now finally it's closing in this zone. This is the retest right here. Nasdaq could potentially start moving up in this area too. It's starting to break above 50 RSI, but I'm going to focus on US30 and gold because we've been following these since the start of the call. Let's see here. Buy gold now, Malik. Buy gold now. Let's take a look. I don't want to say anything like guys, I can't say like buy signals and things like that, but you never want to buy the tops. You never want to buy the highs, okay? This is a new higher high. You got it. You know where, Malik, the buy was? The pullback back down here to this support line. That's where retest confirmation, okay? So your buy would have been in there, 1777.77, a lot of sevens. That would have been the buy. If you're buying again the top, you're chasing, okay? You're chasing. I wouldn't recommend that, okay? You guys got to learn how to trade like this. There was your other buy signal right there, okay? But I would avoid buying the top, okay? That's just my opinion, okay? Pikachu, you are one sexy man. Thank you, Pikachu. I appreciate that. But yeah, gold is continuing to push. Remember, we have this daily resistance right up here, this yellow line, guys. I don't know if you can see it on my chart there, but 1783.45. This is a big daily resistance. Okay, so again, if you got some profits out of this run, secure a little bit, guys. Secure a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to continue to watch the candles. See how it came down? It's coming down. We need now to use this level, 1781.17, as support, so we can continue to move bullish again. Okay, US30, it hit up here the 200-day whole number. Okay, we got up to 35,400. Okay, so you got to understand that's a psychological number. We could have some market makers place supply up there. We could retrace back a little bit, but then what we're looking for is that next push. Okay. And then if we can break, guys, look at the levels, okay? This was from last night's London session, okay? So this box is going to go across here. That was when it started, guys. Do you remember Sunday night? Sunday night, 6 p.m. right here. This is when they gapped it down, okay? This is when the market's open. Do you understand, if we get the price of US30 back into this box up here, this will be a full 100% retracement from when they opened Sunday night. It dipped all the way down here, and we're pulling all the way back up. So I don't know if we'll get it on this call, but we'll see. If US30 can come back into this area, wow, that could be like a full 100% retracement, and we could potentially push for higher highs up here, okay? It's crazy what the markets are doing, but if US30 wants to be bullish and continue with these all-time highs, we will trade it accordingly. We'll catch some pips too. But we'll be ready for the big sell-off when it comes, okay? Noel, you were in at 1770 and out at 1782. Perfect. That's nice, man. 1775 to 1782. Wow, congrats, bro. That's a big, big move. That's 70 pips, guys. That's no joke. But secure some profits there, okay? That's why we trade. So yeah, it is expected that it is going to come down, okay? But we need to find some nice support again, forming higher lows. See here how I drew the resistance? This was previous resistance on RSI. See how we're coming up there and we got rejected again. So we're looking to pick up more strength around here, around 50. Hopefully we can keep this uptrend going. We need to pick up some more strength down here at the 50, get some new buyers coming in. If not, if this thing starts to break down below 50, we're going to lose this support, possibly break that trend line, and then we might see it fall back a little bit. BB King, what's up, bro? Brandon, how long are you on today for? I'm going to go till maybe 10:30, maybe another, we're going to go through New York Stock Exchange open, and I might be wrapping it up around 10:30. I got a few appointments after 11 I got to do today, yep, we're going to go till 10:30. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. Gold is still hanging around at the top. Okay, wow, okay, so we tapped up here. It's coming down, guys, but these are pullbacks, okay? But to be healthy, we got to hold support lines. Otherwise, they will completely come and break down, okay? What other pair do you guys want to look at? In the chat, guys, next, let me know what pair you guys want me to chart. We're 12 minutes going into New York and NYSE. Let me know, guys, in the chat what you guys want to see, and I can chart it up for us real quick. Okay, I see a NAS100. I see a GU. What else? We already did NAS100. We charted it. But if you need me to explain what's going on with NAS100, I can do that. BB King, my man, best group on YouTube. Smash the likes. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it, bro. Dak Prescott, thank you. Hopefully he's okay. I almost had a heart attack with that second arm MRI, but hopefully he's good, bro. We're big Dallas Cowboys fans here at Sniper Trading. My thoughts on GBP USD or USD JPY. Yeah, we can get into those pairs. George, BTC, we do scalp that, but a lot of people have broker spreads of 7 to 10, so it doesn't make sense to be scalping Bitcoin unless you have a broker with a low spread. Okay, 7 to 10 pip spread makes scalping Bitcoin very, very difficult. Okay, we do cryptos as private sessions with our members. Okay, guys, I can see that you guys want like Nasdaq and GBP USD. So Nasdaq we already did. Okay, so these are my levels for Nasdaq. Okay, again, it broke out into this area, quick move, but it's coming back down. So Nasdaq, it made its move, came up here, got rejected. It could be coming up again, just similar like gold and US30. Has a pullback. That could be a healthy correction cooling off the RSI right back to 50. If we start getting the move, we're looking for buys in here on Nasdaq, 15,088. Okay, anything above there, we're looking for buys on Nasdaq. It's continuing to push. It's making a broke out here, pullback. We made a higher low, we made a higher high. Could be a pullback. If we hold here, this could be a higher low, and we look for momentum to continue to push up. Okay, so that's Nasdaq. GU, okay, I'll get into GU really quick, guys. Okay, this was all from last night, guys. We were trading it. Let me clean up the charts. I know it looks messy. Okay, so we pull right here. We made a high. Okay, on the 5 minutes. This is GU, guys. I'm gonna do this really, really fast, okay, because I don't want to miss the market open. Okay, so GU, I'm just going to open up the chart here, okay, a little bit. Plot 50 for my RSI right here. Okay, so strength is above 50, okay, so it is bullish, but this zone right here is a big zone of consolidation. Okay, so I don't like to trade inside the box unless I'm scalping. Like if I drop it down to a lower 1 minute candlesticks, then I'll scalp the inside. But as of 5 minutes, I like to look for the bigger breakouts. Look for quality pips as opposed to just trading anything inside that box there. Okay, so this is like an accumulation distribution zone. Wow, this candle, this 5 minute candle at 725, really was a bullish candle. It's retracing a little bit back into this zone, could be breaking out. So what I'm looking for GU is if we can break above there, yep, then we can possibly move up to here, okay? Awesome. Thanks for the subscription, Rashid Sharif. Thank you, brother. We appreciate it. All the subs help guys grow the channel. We're over 1,400, so we really appreciate you guys. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a pattern. This is a W pattern breakout on GU. So this is like leg one coming down right here. Leg one. Oh man, sometimes this trading view acts real finicky when you touch everything. Leg one. Here's the neckline. Okay, then they push it back, we make a higher low right here, and then this is the W breakout, guys. Okay, so we charted GU a little late, but what I would have had, guys, is you see when we break out of this area, okay, we break out, that's the impulse break. Now it's coming down to retest this zone right here. Okay, it's coming to retest this zone, and we're looking for it to reverse and curl and come back up to here. Okay, so I'm not focusing on GBP USD this morning. I'm focusing on US30 and gold because I want to follow the big news in the markets today, especially with what's going on in Afghanistan. Could have some effects on the US dollar and the markets. Okay, GBP USD, yeah, it's moving up. It's following this big bullish candle. What a massive candle. Okay, that was at 725, 730. We retraced a little bit, healthy pullback. We caught some support at the 200A. We're starting to move up. Okay, so this is good. It broke out of the zone, but we need the volume to stay above here. So you could be like in a buy situation here, stop loss place below here, and you're going to ride this momentum up. Okay. But if you're late to the party, okay, and you're not in a trade, then what you need is you need price action to get above these wicks, okay, and then you could look for a buy signal above this area right up here. Okay, so if price can get up here, that's where I would be looking for a buy right up here. Okay, and potentially get it up to there. Okay, and then for bearish momentum on GU, okay, I would look for it to come through this consolidation area. Okay, get through all these orders, and then I would look for a short below here. Okay. Okay, and it just takes patience and discipline, guys. Let the trade come to you. Okay, don't rush trades. Let the trades come to you. If there's areas of consolidation, let it consolidate. Okay, you just look for the quality pips, just like we did on US30, just like we did on gold, and that's what we do. Just patiently wait for confirmations. Look for price action to make an impulse break out. Look for it to come back and retest with volume closing above. Then you could move up to this area just like this. Okay, so just like we do with all our other pairs. Now it's coming down bearish, so this could be the impulse break below. This is impulse, how it's breaking below. Could come down to test that trend line, a retest for there, we get a bearish engulfing candle, and then we could come down like this. Okay, so that's GU. This is the impulse candle breaking down. It's got 3 minutes left on it. So what you want to watch as a seller, you can play the impulse candle if you like, but the better trade is we're waiting for this volume to close below here. We're looking for a retest candle. See how now it's touching our trend line, that yellow trend line I just drew. It could be coming down to the 200A. It could pick up buyers and come right back in, okay? If not, if this volume closes right here, we look for a retest candle and we could drop it down further, okay? So that's how I set up my charts for GBP USD. Already you could be in profits if you took that sell right there coming down. The RSI is now starting to break below 50, and then right here I would have my support line on my next RSI level right here. That's at 40. So if this breaks below 40, you're going to see this candle will be a bleeding candle coming down. So that's a nice impulse candle breaking down, guys, okay? That's worth 5 pips right there, just that impulse candle breaking down, okay? But awesome, guys. Let me just check out the chat. What's going on, guys? Yeah, I'll go back to gold, guys. One second. Okay. So gold is continuing to hold up here, okay? It's pushing back. This is a big daily resistance up here, 1784. So what's happening is, look how the price action is cooling off. It's consolidating right in here, okay? It's forming a bullish flag. We're cooling off the RSI, but as long as it stays in this area, that's healthy. Then we could potentially start to break out gold, get it back up here. So markets are going to open New York Stock Exchange in 1 minute and 38 seconds, guys. Okay, so heads up, if you guys are in trades right now, if you have open active trades right now, respect your stop loss, guys. If you're in profits, scale out a little bit in profits in any trades you're in, because we're going to get some real volatility coming at 9:30. Okay, we're going to get some erratic candles. It's normal for market open, but there is going to be volatility. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the squad. All the guys that are in here from Epic Baba. Thank you, Epic Baba. We appreciate you, bro. Thank you for recommending us. You're awesome. Rhythm Taming, yeah, booked. Thanks to Epic Baba for suggesting me to this channel. I booked a lot of profits today. Amazing, guys, amazing. Epic Baba, respect, bro. Thank you for mentioning our name to your channel and to your people. We appreciate that, bro. Thank you. Dave and I stream, guys, New York and Tokyo, and we do bonus London sessions. We do about 10 to 15 live sessions a week. And if you want to join the sniper team, guys, we would love to have you on the sniper team. It's only $1 a day. It's $29.99 a month. We provide tutorials, webinars, courses. You get to be part of the chat room with the sniper team. A lot of knowledge in there, guys. You also get some trade ideas, recaps after these calls. We do now, our members recommended that we do a late day scalp session, power hour from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. We do that 2 times a week. So guys, we listen to our members, and we provide them with the service, okay? And then you get the mentorship from Dave and I, okay? So I believe that's worth $1 a day, is to get the mentorship from Dave and I. Okay, so market is open, okay? So we're going to see some erratic volatility, guys, okay? So I warned you guys, if you're in trades, look to secure a little bit of profits, but let's watch how the markets open up, okay? So gold, it's still in the box. It's holding support down here. That's good. Let's see a breakout above here. 1780, 83, 84 breakout will be really nice, guys. US30. US30, see, look at how they're dumping it, okay? So it came up, we made a new high up here. Wow, 35,424, okay? So it made a big move up here, okay? Right there, and now they're dropping it, okay? So see how the markets can be very, very volatile, guys. That's why we always recommend that you book profits, guys, book profits. But this could come down for a liquidity grab. It could come down to pick up liquidity, and then there, it turns into, look at that. So it came down bearish, picked up liquidity. We got nice support here at 35,390. We're in an indecision spin top candle, but the volume is above the 200A on this 5 minute. We could continue to move up, guys. We made a big higher high on US30 right here at 35,424, okay? So let's continue with that volume to the upside.
Yeah, I told you guys like there's gonna be lots of volatility at 9:30 a.m. Okay, it's happens. We trade these sessions daily, guys. Okay, so we know that the volatility is gonna be there. But what we're watching is the low. Okay, it came down to here, 35,383. It held support, but now it's coming back down. So, guys, US30 is coming down. You guys can see it's coming down as a heavy bearish candle. Okay, so we got to sell orders. We're looking for sell orders down in this area, but it could come down again and retest right here to pick up some buyers, and maybe we can push up. But guys, on a play like that, you see if you don't secure profits, one volatile candle can come down and wipe out everything. Okay, so this is you guys are gonna have to learn how to take profits because look at one 5 minute candle completely takes out everything, guys. Okay, on this entire call, I've been stressing to you guys in all trades to take profits, guys. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Gold is still maintaining up there, but US30 is just, it's nuts right now, okay? There's nothing else I can say about that, guys. I told you all on every single move to secure profits, guys. We've been trading the markets for a long time. We didn't start trading 2 days ago. Okay, we've been at this for 20 years, guys. Um, Yeah, Ross, that's the dirty 30 dump, guys, okay? Um, see, guys, if you do not reward yourself with those profits coming up to there, you could get washed out on one 5 minute erratic candle, okay? I cannot stress this enough, guys, okay? From right here, the buy area, to that wick, guys, okay, that is 60 pips, guys. 60 pips. This is like a 60. Wow, look at the volatility of this candle. This is crazy. Okay, so let's watch how this candle is going to close. Believe it or not, we still have a minute and 3 seconds left on this crazy ass candle. Okay, this is New York Stock Exchange open, guys. So if this candle closes with volume below our daily support line, we could look for a retest and it could push down further, guys. Okay. So maybe this is going to be the market correction we've been waiting for, okay? Malik, you think Dirty 30 will go down more and more? We'll see, okay? It's approaching, look at the RSI, 33, okay? It's starting to get to oversold, but that doesn't matter, guys. This thing can drop, um, can go down to 25, can go down to 20, can go down to 15. It doesn't matter. Wow, guys, okay? I had the sell right here, 35,345, but I never got in, guys, okay? Because I was waiting for a retest. I never got in that, but if you guys are in the US30 sell, congrats, man. Wow, wow. Look at the additional continuation. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. Yeah, Dominic, you think US30 is gonna have a bad day? Probably, guys. Remember, I told you guys there was that news around the world in Afghanistan. You have now the stock market open up. This is when it could be dropping here, guys. Oh my God, guys, this is the volatility, guys. I'll walk it with you guys. All these red lines are 5 minute support levels, but this is the big one. This yellow one. Wow, if we get down to 35,259, oh my goodness. Okay, that's our next daily support. If we break below there, we're gonna come down to here, guys. So this could be the market correction we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this. Okay, and then we'll scalp it accordingly. Okay. But if you guys are in that sell, I never got in, unfortunately. I was waiting for a retest. So that's a problem sometimes, guys. When you're sitting back waiting for a retest candle, you're not going to get it. If you see what they're doing, you could have got in the sell and rode it all the way down. Okay, there we go. Nice. Thanks for the sub, guys. Grezia Vespa, thank you, appreciate it. Thank you for the subscription. Okay, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so this is really dumping, guys. Okay, RSI is down to 24. That's what I mean. Don't just start to buy just because RSI hits near 30, because you could be part of a real dump, guys. Let's let it dump, see where it finds some support, where it consolidates, and we can go from there. But wow, this is insane. Guys, gold. Yes, look at gold. This was the trade there. Beautiful, guys. Gold is in profits, guys. Gold looks really nice. We took it from down here. It pulled back. It consolidated in this flag, and there's our gold breakout. Okay, beautiful, guys. Congrats to everyone on the gold profits. I love it. I love it. Okay, this was a big break on gold, guys. Look, we haven't got this for a long, long time. This is a full retracement on gold, guys. Look at, I have nothing when I look left. All I have is this right here. Guys, this is a beautiful move on gold. Okay, we haven't been up in this area in a long time. We got to go back to, I'm going back to August 6th, okay, to see where we could go. 1788. Wow, guys, we could really fill in here, guys. There's a lot of, look at, this was the big bearish candles coming down. 1786. Guys, this is a beautiful move. We could really fill the gap in here, guys. We could potentially get gold up to 1792. That's our next yellow line. That's our next daily resistance. This is beautiful, guys. 1786. There we go, guys. Look at gold go. There we go. Beautiful. Woo! Look at this, guys. Entry was in here, guys. 1777 right there. Beautiful. I love it, guys. Okay, when gold cooperates, it's beautiful. Okay, 82 pips. 82 pips already on gold. Congrats, guys. Guys, I'm just going to read the chat real quick. I'm going to read the chat. Ross, how can you not love the dirty? The dirty is, yeah, man. Larry, I grabbed $76 from the fall this and ran. Good, good. If you got in on that sell, congratulations. BB King, you caught it too. That's scalping right there. Good job, guys. But secure profits, especially when you see the volatility how it is, because one candle couldn't reverse. Don't leave profits on the tables, guys. Perfect. Gold is holding on. Yeah, gold. Epic Baba. Shall I hold or take profit? What you should do is possibly scale out. Scale out a certain percentage and leave also a runner, okay? That's why we always leave a nice runner, okay, for moves like this. But if you're, this is an 80 pip move. You should be securing some nice profits, guys, okay? Because we are going to fall back, okay? I can see already bearish divergence. I can see that the price of gold is moving up, okay, but the strength is starting to come down, okay, so I can start to see a little bit of bearish divergence forming, but this is a beautiful move on gold. Let's go back to the dirty 30, dirty 30, guys, okay, so it dumped all the way down to here, 32,279. Next candle is going bearish, could come back and fill this wick and come down even further, guys, okay, so this is a key level. 35,258. That's a daily support level, okay? But the dirty, wow. See, we were in the buy, guys. I kept telling you guys, please take some profits. Scale out 70-80% on a move like that. Leave a break-even runner because New York Stock Exchange 9:30 a.m. is a volatile ass session, okay? One candle wiped out everything, okay? So that's what you guys got to understand when you're trading. Brandon, you closed 80%, left a runner. Perfect. See how happy that makes me feel? I feel good when you guys do that, okay? Because then I know that you guys have secured profits, and then I can breathe, and then we can look for another trade. But I don't want you guys with like getting greedy, guys, okay? If you make 30, 40, 50 pips, this move right here is a ton of pips, guys. You got to secure something because the market could wrap around and come right back up, okay? We've seen it on this call, okay? Just don't get greedy, guys, please. In market conditions like this, we do this to make some pips, guys, okay? Get your pips. We made some in London. We made some now in New York. You guys can come back with Dave later on tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern. He'll be scalping the Tokyo session, so grab some pips with Dave, guys. You guys just join us on these calls and you guys can do very well. You guys can get educated on how to scalp, ask us questions, guys, it's free education here. We appreciate you guys. But if you want to take your trading to the next level, we would love to have you on the sniper team. Visit stocksnipertrading.com to join that team, guys. So I just got some messages, guys. I just 1 minute. My phone is blowing up right here. Just gotta check some messages. I got a lot of guys showing me their profits in gold and the US30. So congrats to everybody. Wow, wow. Oh my goodness. Um, Brandon 1000, bro. Amazing. 769. Brandon, oh my god, you're gonna have a 2G day, bro. Congrats. Man, Gord 165. Congratulations, bro. Man, 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 man. Michael, a solid day, brother. Solid day, 121. Guys, we're getting profits sent to our group from all of our members. Congratulations, everybody. This is why we do this, guys. Um, Donnie, you are the best, bro. Thank you so much. No worries, bro. You're the best. Thank you for joining the channel. We appreciate you, man. We're a tight community here, guys. 102 viewers. Thank you guys so much for getting us to a 100 viewers. If I can just get you guys to like the channel, guys, that's all we ask in return. For all of this that Dave and I do for you guys, all we ask in return is just you hit the like buttons so that we can continue streaming for you guys. And subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. That's all we ask in return. So the dirty 30 came down. Look at this, guys. See? That's why I marked these areas, guys. Okay? So 35,260. You see this was a red bearish candle. It came down. It just touched our daily support, and now we're getting buyers at the daily level. You could have daily buyers waiting at these support levels. Okay? That's why I do my charting analysis with daily and hourly and 5-minute candles, guys. I don't do this just to make my charts look fancy with these different colors. These mean something. Yellow is a daily support line. Do you see how the price came down to exactly 35,260 and now it's getting a bullish pin bar candle? That's why, guys, you know where to take some profits when it comes down to daily levels. Okay, you need to be scaling out because we could have now a bullish reversal happening. Okay, but excellent, guys, excellent trading. Brandon, that's all from the Stock Sniper Trading. Y'all changing lives. Thank you, bro. You heard it from Brandon right there. He joined our program a couple weeks ago, and we had one-on-one with him. We straightened him out. We fixed him up, and now the man is a terror right now. He's he's changing his life right now, bro. Proud of you, Brandon. It's you that's doing it, man. We just tweaked your trading a little bit. Um, he learned all about retest confirmation trading, and he's killing it, man. Proud of you, Brandon. For real. Fire some. You made some profit on the NAS100. Congrats, bro. NAS100. There it is. So there's our NAS100. Guys, we had the buy area, 15,088. Okay. So there it goes. It breaks above there. It came up to 118. Okay. So that's a big move on Nasdaq as well, guys. But book some profits, guys. Okay. Because it could come down real easy. Okay. We do this all day, every day, guys. Okay. All day, every day. Okay, how much was it? It was a nice move up here. 30 pips, guys. 30 pips on Nasdaq. Okay, not bad, not bad, guys. So gold, it's retracing, coming back down. It could come back down to this level right in here, this supply demand zone. It could, but if we can hold above right here, 1783, that's the daily now support level. So if we can cool off up there, gold can continue to push, guys. Okay. Epic Baba booked another $47. Amazing, bro. Amazing, amazing. Keep booking the profits, guys. Turn it into $100, $200, $300 call, guys. Wow, the US30, okay? So this was a pullback, guys. That candle in the middle was a cool-off pullback candle, and they're continuing to hammer this down, guys. Look at the RSI, guys, on US30, 20, 21, okay? So don't be that buyer to just buy because it's below 30. This thing is going to drop now down to here. This is our next 5-minute support line, 35,240, okay? Right there, guys. Wow. The dirty 30 is bearish. Guys, they're dumping the market right now, okay? Look right now. It's minus 0.67%. The entire US30 is down 240 points right now. 240 pips, guys. Okay, this could be all market reaction to what happened in Afghanistan, guys. Okay, um, the Taliban took over the U.S. embassy. That's world news, guys. That's big. Okay, so you guys got to follow also world news, what's going on, how it impacts the markets, guys. Because if you know what's going on around the world, it can really help with your fundamental trading. And then also when you have the technicals all set up, that's where you can make all your pips, guys. We were looking in London session for this move. We couldn't get it, so we said, okay, we made a few pips on London. We said we're going to go back to sleep and we're going to wake up fresh for New York, and then we collected some good pips. Okay, so gold is continuing to break, guys. Okay, so do you guys understand what's going on, how these are correlated? Money is coming out of the stock market and they're pumping money into gold. Okay, money is coming out of the stock market and they're pushing money into gold. Gold is a safe haven for money. Okay, it's when there's indecision in the markets, when there's volatility, a lot of investors like to buy physical gold. They like to buy silver. They like to buy instead of just the US dollar. Let's take a look at DXY. Okay, this is our US dollar. It dumped and now it's finding a little bit of support, but the big moves are on US30. It's dumping, guys. Okay, so they dumped US30, and look at how it correlated with the move of gold. Gold was continuing to go up. All we need is the break above here, guys, on gold. Get above here. Get above 1786, and we're going to push even higher, possibly to our next area, 1788 on gold. Okay, so big moves, guys. 99 viewers, 100 viewers. Thank you, guys. Babylon US30 just wrecked you. Yeah, you need to trade with a stop loss, okay? Guys, can't stress that enough. US30 can be very dangerous if it goes in your opposite direction, okay? Because look at that, could have washed you out. But you should always take profits and have a break-even stop loss, okay? Worst case scenario is your little stop loss stopped out right there. But I don't know, Babylon, where you took a trade. I don't know where you're at on this call, but maybe you took a buy somewhere down here where it was not recommended. We're just watching this fall down, okay? Um, but I feel bad for you, bro. How do how do I get connected to the sniper group chat? You got to join the VIP team to get in the sniper group. That's visit stocksnipertrading.com. Everything you get in there is for $1 a day. It's $29.99 a month. At the end of this call, I'll show you guys our website and I can show you guys where you can sign up. Epic. I don't care the news when you are with me. Who can be against me? Ready to book another profit on gold. Yeah, bro. Ross, what do you got, my man? Retail sales tomorrow for US30 will be important. Yeah, I was just showing them that during London. There wasn't too many news folders today, but tomorrow is going to be a big day. We got a lot of 8:30 US AM red folders, and then also Jerome Powell is speaking tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Okay, so Uncle Powell, he moves the markets too. Wow, guys, look at US30 continuing. So now we're closing below daily support and it's dropping further. Okay, so all of these red lines are 5-minute supports. If we continue to break, we're going to come down into this consolidation area. Okay, down here. Wow. Okay, so overall, this is a wow 100% retracement from the breakout right here on August 10. Okay, this was back in August 10 where we started the US30 push, and now we're retracing all the way back down to the bottom, guys. Massive move, guys. Okay, let's check out gold, guys. Yeah, gold is continuing to push. Wow, there we go. Gold is breaking out, guys. There we go. Continuing to cool off and break, guys. We could be targeting 1788 on gold coming up, okay? Takitayas, yeah, that's exactly what I said. The gold went up because of the news, and gold is a safe haven. Absolutely correct, yes. Um, yeah, you're connected to the free Telegram group, but we have the sniper chat. That's for the VIP members that sign up, okay? That's a private group that we have. That's when you sign up with us. But right now you're in the free Telegram group on YouTube here. Good job, snipers. I'm just reading the group chat. Congratulations, everybody. I love to see everybody in profits. I love it. I love it. I love it. Um, You signed up, bro. Congratulations. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the sniper team, guys. Near the end of the call, I'll show you guys our website. I'll show you guys where you can sign up. We would love to have you guys on our team. It's growing very, 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 very fast, guys. We're a very fast growing team. Trevan, is there signals in the VIP group? Yep, we do send out trade ideas throughout the day. We do send those out depending on market conditions. Absolutely, yep. Um, BB King, imagine if I would have my full position. Yeah, guys, we don't, as traders, the woulda, shoulda, couldas, forget about it. Get in a trade, you either book profits or you leave a runner. But the woulda, shoulda, if I told you over my 20 years, if I woulda, shoulda, coulda hold this, believe me, I was in AMC at $3. I was in so the woulda, shoulda, couldas, I don't want to hear that. Because when I started taking profits on AMC at like $11, and I was in at $3. I never knew that it was going to pump up that high, guys. So as long as you book profits, it's all good. But the woulda, shoulda, couldas, it will ruin your psychology when you're trading, guys. Don't worry about that. Just look to book profits. Especially the pot stocks back in 2015. I was in Canopy when it was Bedrock at 87 cents. I started to scale out when they did the Constellation deal at like $9, $13. And I was in one of the earliest stages. I had that thing at 87 cents before it was even Canopy. And I started to scale out on that big Constellation deal, that $4.2 billion contract. And then the next day I wake up and then it's running to $22. So forget the woulda, shoulda, couldas. I don't want to hear that shit, guys. Because if I tell you my woulda, shoulda, couldas, oh man, I left millions of dollars on the tables, guys. But it is what it is. I still booked profits. I still grew my account. And at the end of the day, just be humble, be happy, guys. Buy some steak, buy some lobster, and buy some champagne and enjoy. Guys, so we're looking over here for a nice big move on gold. There it is, guys. Okay, so with the market conditions right now, as long as they're dumping US30, they're dumping the markets. We've got that, what the world news. US30 is going to be a good move, or sorry, gold is going to be a good move, guys. Safe haven for money. I'm targeting 1788, guys. This week we could possibly get back up above 1800. Very, very well, could happen. Okay. Where's my take profit for gold? All of these red lines are considered to be take profit zones, okay? And you should be scaling out accordingly. But this will be our next big 5-minute resistance right up here, 1788, okay? If we can really pump up there. Because what I'm doing is I'm looking left, coming into here. Do you see here? This is all we have, is just this. This was that massive drop, guys. I don't know if you remember trading at August 6th, okay? This was that huge move on Sunday night, okay? Right there. So what I could do is 1788.50 in here. What I could do is I could break that candle up in 50% right there, and that will be my next profit target right there. Okay, so we could do it like that. So guys, look to book some more profits if we can touch up here 1787. Okay, and then our next area will be 1788. But we are starting to get, guys, look at this now. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what bearish divergence is. We have from here to here. Okay, price is making higher highs. Look at our strength in the same area, right here to here. Okay, as much as I hate to say it, I want to see gold going bullish, but we might get a pullback coming here, guys. We already are developing a red bearish candle up here. It could come down to test this level. If we break there, our next level will be back down to here. We could see gold pull back down to this daily support, 1783.50. Maybe it wants to cool off there before we find some new buyers on gold, but we're just going to follow the price action. Now it's a doji candle, so if it holds up here, this thing could still have momentum to continue to push. But I'm just trying to look at if we do get a pullback, where it could happen, okay? But if this thing continues to run, we're going to continue to run it, okay? But I'm just letting you guys know that it could be getting ready for a pullback. So guys, don't get greedy on gold. All you gold buyers, secure some profits, guys, because we could start to see this come back and pull back on us. Okay, just gonna read the chat, guys. Noor, what's up, my man? Don't start, dude. It won't stop. Ashley, if you are, scroll up and look for the group chat link. It's there. Yeah, guys, we have the link for the FX group on Telegram, the free group. It's pinned at the top, guys, of the chat. Um, Nasdaq is dropping. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's correlated, guys. The markets are dropping. Okay, the markets are dumping, and gold is being bought, guys. Okay, see how they're correlated? When the markets drop, they're taking money out of the stock market and they're putting money into gold. Let's take a look at crypto. Like if you look at Bitcoin right now, real quick, let's look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? So, oh, Bitcoin's not correlating as well. So Bitcoin is starting to fall back a little bit too. So you can see that they're not buying crypto right now. They're selling the markets and they're buying gold right now. Okay, and also take a look at DXY. DXY, they're putting money in the US dollar. Okay, so see how everything is correlated, guys. Um, they're buying the US dollar and they're buying gold. Okay, to correct these markets. Okay, guys, we're gonna get a new 10 a.m. candle in about 2 minutes. This is a pullback trade, guys. You can take pullback trades. This is gonna come up bullish a little bit, but you are counter trading a bearish market. This is dangerous to trade like this unless you know how to scalp these candles, guys. Okay, so just careful counter trading because you're fighting these big bearish sellers. Okay, this could be just a pullback coming up to cool off the RSI. It could create a lower high and then selling pressure will continue pushing this down. So careful counter trading, guys. If you're not familiar with counter trading, I would not advise that. What I would advise is trade with the trend. Go look for lower highs and lower lows and trade with the trend, guys. Okay, unless if you're not familiar with counter trading. Okay, so gold is looking great, guys. Okay, congrats to everybody making good money on gold. Sometimes gold is finicky, but it looks really, really nice. This call was amazing, guys. I appreciate all of you guys being on this call with me. You guys give me the adrenaline, the energy. Awesome, guys. The chat is bumping. You guys are doing great. Um, Trayvon, laughing my ass. You're too real. I just full transparency, guys. I just tell you guys how it is. You know, we got nothing to hide. Um, Dave and I are full transparent traders. We tell you everything, guys. We show you everything. We tell you everything. Um, Pablo, 1790 is a very important. Yeah, I absolutely agree with you. It's a big, big area. Okay, because that could be the next break to 1800. Absolutely. Um, You may take a sell if you see a rejection. Yeah, that's normal. I can spot a little bit of bearish divergence myself, so it could be preparing for a little bit of a sell, a little bit of a pullback. Absolutely. Um, yeah, Takites. JPY is also a safe haven. That is dropping yen pairs. Yep, JPY is absolutely another safe haven. Um, Yeah, Samurai Dominic, you had it. Dominic is part of our group. He called that gold was going to continue to break last night. So good call, bro. Good call. Pablo, thank you, bro. We appreciate you. I believe you're out of Spain, but we appreciate you. Um, so, guys, just get ready. We could see gold now falling back, okay? Because I can see right now it could consolidate in this area right up here. And then we could see it. There it comes down, okay? So, I kind of warned you about this, guys. I saw the bearish divergence, okay? The reason why I saw that was price was making higher highs and the strength was going down. That's what this yellow arrow going up and this yellow arrow coming down. So we could see right now if it breaks 70, we could see RSI come back down to this level 60. Hopefully it holds there. If it breaks, it's going to come down to 50. But we could possibly see a retracement coming down. If it breaks this support level, it could come all the way back to 1783 down here, guys. Okay, so unless we can hold some nice support, we'll see what happens. But gold is going to retrace, guys. It's made a big move from all the way from down here. Okay, from 1777 all the way up to there. Okay, it's almost a 100 pip move. You gotta expect that it's going to pull back, guys. That's the move was right here. The buy. Yeah, how high did we get up to? 90 pips, 95 pips, okay? So you got to expect that there's going to be a retracement, okay? Could possibly come right back down to this daily level, okay? So, guys, we could get into short selling this, okay? What? Let me just see here. I don't really want to counter trade gold right now, but I'm just saying, guys, if you want to counter trade gold, you would look for a break of support level right here, and then it could drop all the way down here. Okay, I'm not taking it. I don't want to counter trade gold right now, but this could be some nice pips right here from there to there. You could easily get right now, possibly 15, 20 pips. Okay, very easy. See how it's coming down? We spotted that divergence. It had a 90, 100 pip move. So a 20, 30, 40 pip pullback is healthy, guys. Okay, but I don't want to fight the momentum. Okay, we have a new 10 a.m. candle that just opened up. So this is where it could start to cool off now, okay? This is where we could get a bearish. So if I jump to my 1 hour candles on gold, let's take a look here. Okay, so see what happened. This is the candle we traded, the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. candle, okay? Beautiful. We caught that breakout. We rode that entire bullish candle. But now you can see the 10 a.m. candle is opening up bearish, and it could be coming down, back down to this level. I just told you. This yellow line, 1783, that's a daily support. So we could see an hourly candle come all the way down here, might pick up some support and continue moving up, or if it breaks down, could even come down further, okay? So I can already see that our 1 hour candle is bearish. And you can see now on our 5-minute candles, here it comes down, okay? And there's our level, 1783, okay? So that could be a really nice pullback sell. And we spotted it by seeing divergence. Okay, so guys, you want to learn all these things in our group with us. Epic Baba booked another 94 on gold. I'm too happy to be with you, brother. God be with you. No, God bless you, bro. Thank you for joining. Oh man, Epic Baba is cleaning up today. Travon Prudhomme. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct. This is my first time in here. Glad I hopped in. You dropped some good gems. I've been trading for 5 years. You definitely know what you're talking about. Just for $1 a day, I'm definitely joining. Thank you, bro. You'll see what type of mentorship you'll get in the sniper program with us. We got a lot of top-notch traders, a lot of knowledge in there. The chat room is awesome. We got webinars, courses, trade ideas. Saturday night we just did a unannounced scalp session. I was doing my homework on the weeklies. We had a couple guys come in, said, hey guys, why don't we just check out crypto? So then we started scalping XRP, and guys on the call made some money. So we do it all, guys. Believe me, you want to join the sniper team. It's a fast growing community, guys. We've only been streaming for about 2 months now. You guys are new to it with us, so you guys are along the journey with us. We just broke 1,400 subscribers, which is huge. Now we were targeting 1,000. Now our goal is set for 2,000 subs, guys. Help this channel grow. We appreciate all of you guys. And we couldn't do this without you guys. Ashley, you still believe in gold? Some people are cashing out gold to make for up the losses they just took in US30 and NAS. Yeah, Nasdaq was crazy. Nasdaq was insane. Yeah, guys, so see the pull up? So that's why we look at these levels, guys. Okay, so right here, 35,260 is a daily support. We broke below it. This is a nice little pullback, okay? But it could pull back up to, remember, this was a consolidation zone. It could come up to this zone, or we could start to see a new supply zone that the market makers are creating. Let's say it's in this area right here, okay? So if we see a new supply zone in here, we could possibly see US30 find some resistance right here and then fall back even more, okay? So this is like a supply zone that they could create in here. I'm taking it off of this candle right here and possibly from over here, okay? So see what I do? So that could be a new supply zone, okay? And what I'm watching now is if it starts getting rejected up here again, guys. If you're in that scalp pullback, that counter, that's a beautiful play. Like, you're up a ton of pips, but secure some, because we're entering another supply zone and RSI is approaching the 50, where it could get rejected right here, and they could continue dumping the markets. Okay, so just keep an eye on that, guys. Best kicks, you're holding US30 from last week. Wow. Okay, guys. Yeah, I don't hold overnight holds, so just I don't hold. I end my positions at the end of the day. The only thing I do hold is my Apple stock. I've been holding since 2014. That is my only long hold I hold, guys, in my portfolio is Apple stock from 2014. Okay, so good info. Best kicks. There's a 618 Fibonacci line above this supply zone. So yeah, we're gonna see can this break above the 618, or is it gonna start pulling back at the 618 and continue to go down bearish? We'll see. Um, Epic. Let's see, bro. Is gold good for another buy, brother? You've done good today. You know, don't get greedy too much, Epic. But let's take a look on gold. Um, so gold is pulling back. Okay, like I said, it's possibly going to come down to back down to this zone, 1783. Test this daily support down here. See how it's coming down. But we'll wait to see. It could come back into this area as well. This is where we have a lot of consolidation. It could come down in here. Okay, so gold is selling off. Okay, it needs to correct itself. This could be another healthy correction, and then we'll see if buyers can step in and take it back up. Okay, but it is cooling off. It's going to come down to here, what I was just telling you guys, 1783.40. That's our daily. There it is, just tapped it. Okay, so if we break below there, it could come down into this zone. Okay, we could possibly see it get down to 1782. Okay, and remember the big move broke out was breaking out of here. Okay, 1777. It was actually a little earlier. Okay, this was before we started the call. This was at 8 a.m. We started the call in here at 8:15, so we grabbed it there. If we started this call earlier, we could have potentially been in looking for buys in here. Okay, but unfortunately we started the call at 8:15. You know, we slept a little bit because we streamed London last night, so a little bit we were tired. Okay, but it's okay, guys. We had a solid New York session. It was a great session, guys. I had fun. A lot of good session. Okay, so US. Wow, look at you. Okay, so now, guys, money is rotating in the markets. Okay, so they're buying now the bottom of US30. Okay, possibly let's see Nasdaq as well. Oh no, Nasdaq is going the opposite direction, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq is dumping. US30 is pumping. Okay, so you got to know what these are comprised of. US30 is comprised of tech companies. So tech, they're buying the tech off the bottom. Wow, this is US30, Ross, the dirty 30, bro. This thing is insane. So see sometimes how they're not always correlated. Nasdaq is dumping while US30 is pumping, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq. How many of you guys are in the Nasdaq sell here, guys? Yeah, everything. BTC is going down as well. Let's see here. What do I think about the GBP USD reverse? Let me take a look. Okay, guys, remember this? Okay, hey guys, I had it set up, but we never visited this. Remember I told you guys, watch for right here, the 1.3865 break. We had the break. Okay, it was that bearish candle. The volume closed below, and look at the continuing to go down. Okay, all the way down to there. Okay, so we charted this for you guys. I was looking for a buy up in this area, but the sell broke down. Okay, so beautiful GU sell for a possible pullback. Continue to break out. What I would do is I would look at this consolidation in here. Okay, and then if it breaks out above this area, I would be looking for a possible buy reverse up here. Okay, up above this area to possibly come back up. But I don't want to fight this. Okay, it could be just pulling back, and then it could be reversing back down. Okay, could be coming back down. Let's see the pip move from the top. Okay, so starting from the break there down to there, guys, 35, 36 pips. Okay, if you missed the impulse candle, then this is your retest candle. It opens up, it gets rejected at the 200A, it comes down, you place your stop loss above this box. We do get a pullback candle, but then it starts getting bearish engulfed. We still stay below there, we make a lower high and continue to come down. So if you take your sell entry on the retest candle anywhere around here, okay, that's still 30 pips, guys. Nice move. Now it could be rotating back up. If this candle closes above this area with volume, then possibly you could look for a reversal buy right up here. But again, remember, you're counter trading the overall bearish trend on GU, okay? So just keep that in mind when you're counter trading. But we could look for a buy signal right up here in this area with volume close above this area, 138.44 around there. You're looking for this move. A push up, volume close above that area, possible retest. Then we're looking for a move up here, here, back up to here, and then hopefully get back a reversal into that consolidation box. Okay, so that's GU, guys. Okay, so beautiful sell, guys. Lots of pips on today's call, guys. Lots of pips, guys. Okay, all over the place. Look at US30. Oh my god, it has made a full 100% retracement. Oh my goodness, this thing is ridiculous. Okay, gold is coming back to 1783. Okay, right down here, could come back into our consolidation area. So gold is dropping, pulling back. US30 is pumping. Wow. And Nasdaq is dumping. Holy shit, guys. Look at this. Look at Nasdaq free fall, guys. Okay, so we lost 15,000 psychological support. Now we're coming down, guys. So once we break this yellow line, where can we come down to? Look at here, guys. This is where we're coming down. Okay, so once we break that yellow line, guys, this is your next profit targets on Nasdaq. Okay, look for 14,980. Look for 14,965, and finally look for down here 14,950 all day. Okay, psychological number. Wow, wow, wow. Here we go, guys. This is unbelievable, guys. Okay, tons of pips tonight. Okay. Yeah, Roy. Maybe we target that opening gap. That's absolutely correct. Gaps usually get filled. Yeah, insane, guys. Guys, we're gonna go about 15 more minutes. This has been an excellent, excellent call. I appreciate all of you guys on here. 104 viewers. If I can just get you guys to hit the like button, I would really appreciate that. It helps with the algorithms. It helps us trend, guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, guys. Dave and I, we stream New York and Tokyo, and we do bonus London sessions. They're bonus again, okay? So they're not always scheduled. So that's why you want to subscribe. Hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on those, okay? But yeah, Nasdaq could be finding a bottom down here. We could look for a reversal. What I would look for a reversal by is you want to get it up to this consolidation area right up here. And look for a break up there, okay? You can pick it up here, but it's still you're fighting the trend, okay? You want to see it with confirmation, get above here, then we could continue to move up, okay? But that's a big move on Nasdaq. Wow, big bearish move. US30, okay? So US30 could start believe it or not, it could have this bullish momentum come all the way up here, but sellers could place a wall up here. There could be a supply zone, and believe it or not, this is a lower high from here, and sellers could start to push this down. So back down into this area, okay? So if price comes back, consolidates in here, then again, we're going to do the same thing. We'll look for a sell below here. We'll look for a pullback buy around here if it wants to continue to run, guys. Travon, thank you for the subscription, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Every sub helps, guys. It really helps grow the channel. We just broke above 1,400 subs, so that's huge for Dave and I. Thank you, guys. Nasdaq. Wow, wow, wow. See, it's just continuing to break, guys. Look at the RSI. Let this be a lesson for all you RSI guys. The RSI is down to 18, okay? And price continues to drop. If you're one of these guys that buys at 30, you just got your account hammered, okay? Do not buy just because RSI hits 30, and don't sell just because RSI hits 70. That is a lesson, guys. We have a lot of new traders who always just hit sell buttons when it hits 70 or buy buttons when it hits 30. When you are fighting a volatile market, that does RSI doesn't mean anything, guys, okay? Um, Gold, please, Mohammed. Yes. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, so gold is finding support, guys. Okay, so you see what happened? It moved up. We made a high, pulled back, it corrected right here. This is the supply demand zone, accumulation distribution. You see how we're holding above this area? Okay, so now we have buyers coming back in. So what we need from these buyers is to push the price into this zone, and then we'd like to see a breakout above here, 1787.50, and we could potentially move to 1790. Here's our next daily resistance up here, 1792.74. Okay, we could see gold rotating back up. But the big dump is right here, Nasdaq. This thing is disgusting. Okay, big sell, guys. Don't even fight it. Okay, I know a lot of guys are looking for that reversal buy because RSI is down 17, but don't. That's a counter trade, guys. You're fighting a heavy downtrend. Stay away from it. Believe me. Like, I would be looking for a buy up here. If this rotates back up, I'll let it do what it's got to do down there, but I'm not falling for head fakes. What I would do is I'll set up my chart. I'll patiently wait for a buy area up in here, okay? And then I'll scalp that up to there, okay? So, like, once it comes back into this area, can cool off, I'll be looking for a buy up in here, okay? That way I know that we have buyers from the bottom. We're breaking through this supply zone, and then we could potentially push up like there, similar to how like US30 did. But this is completely different from US30. Okay, this thing is just, look at it dropping, guys. Wow. Okay, so I charted up until here to 14,950. I got to go back and get some more areas. Look at it dropping, guys. This is going to be a free fall if we break below here. Oh my goodness, look at, I have nothing. I got to come all the way over here. I'm in the beginning of August right now. Beginning of August, below 1950, right here, okay? Guys, do you see how I'm doing charting? 1940, next to the area. Next area will be right here. Wow, guys, this is massive dump. 925. Next dump right here, 905, 905, okay? Could be coming down to 14,900. Unbelievable, guys. Look at it dropping, just bearish. If we go on a higher time frame and we look at all the candles, they are very bearish. Look at the hourly candle. Just, oh wow, just a huge bearish hourly candle breaking. Look at the hourly RSI down to 18, okay? So right now, everything is oversold and it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. They're continuing to dump it, okay? Just unbelievable, guys. Look at the momentum, the bearish momentum on Nasdaq. Okay, potentially come down to here. Wow, guys. Woo. Roy, Naz is furious today. No entry at all. Better stay away. Yeah, I agree, bro. What I'm watching, if you're not in the sell, guys, to counter trade this, yeah, it's going to pull back some pips, but be careful, guys, okay, because it's caught a lot of buyers, okay. A lot of buyers have entered and they've got hammered down. Just allow it to move up, consolidate, look for some nice consolidation, and then we can take a trade. But guys, patience and discipline, especially in volatile times like this, okay? I can't stress that enough. So what happened with US30? They pulled it all the way back up, but I told you, watch up there. It's making a lower high, okay? Now you have a bearish engulfing candle coming right back down into this zone, okay? So I'm done trading for the day, guys. I traded London and I traded New York. I did what I had to do. Congratulations to all of you guys on the call that made good profits. Guys, always learn how to scale out. Okay, number one, you guys can see, you guys seen live how these things can move. We were in this buy, looked really nice, and at 9:30 a.m., boom, just hammered it down. This was all 9:30 a.m. New York Stock Exchange open. That's what caused all of this. Okay, GBP USD. we had it charted, a nice little breakdown. There's your pullback, could be breaking down further and coming down. Okay, that could be forming like a nice W pattern. Um, but guys, unbelievable session. Let's take a look at the US dollar. Okay, so US dollar is sold off. We've continued to move up. Again, it pulled back, but it's a higher low pullback. Okay, so for the most part, US dollar is looking strong, guys. Okay, it's holding support here. We're in a little bit of a nice uptrend on the US dollar, so we could be looking to push up here. That's what could be happening in the markets right now. They're taking out of the markets and they're buying the US dollar. They're buying gold, Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is dropping. Okay, so even cryptos are dropping. So you can see how money is rotating through the markets right now. Um, Nasdaq could be finding a bottom, guys. If you want to scalp the bottom, okay, you're welcome to do that. You could also flip to 1 minute candles. Watch what's going on the 1 minute candles, okay. But don't get greedy, guys, and don't fight the overall trend of the markets, okay. Markets are volatile, guys. I haven't seen this type of volatility in years of trading, okay. I haven't seen 5 minute candles go down 100 pips and come right back up 100 pips, okay. So this is new for me too. This market volatility is insane, guys. um, thanks Brandon, I appreciate you, bro. Guys, so if you guys just wouldn't mind, if I can have 1 minute of your time, you guys have been streaming with me for London and New York. Just hear me out right now for a quick second. This is our website, guys. If you want to join the Sniper team, visit stocksnipertrading.com. This is our website. It's a clean website. Dave and I created it. And then we have our programs here for $1 a day, $29.99 a month. Everything you get a lot of value, guys, for $1 a day. You can really change your trading game. You're getting real mentorship from Dave and I in our private Zoom calls. And if you want to join, guys, our latest blogs, this is a free blog. We put a lot of educational content on here, a lot of good value. So this is trades that we actually took. This was when I traded the London market open. We waited 90 minutes for this drop, this 55 pip drop. Kind of explain how it is. This is Red Folder News. Dave was trading New York that got 300 pips. It's kind of a breakdown of the psychology of the trades taken. This was a trading FOMC Red Folder that we took at 2 p.m. We break it down. This is what happened. We had a bearish downtrend, consolidation area, bearish breakdown, hanging man candle. And then here, this is where I took a buy entry, 2 buy entries on standard lots. And I rode this bullish engulfing candle up where I took profits. And there it is. There's our MT4 ticket where I got in my first order at $17.95. I took it to 1801 for $517. And then I took another multiple. I was in that bullish engulfing candle. I took it up there for 389. It was a total of 900 US dollars made in like 10 minutes. There's the commission charges, guys, to show that we're actually trading live with you guys. A breakdown of what happened. And guys, this is Forex folder. So that day, 2 p.m. FOMC statement. That's what we traded right there. So guys, that's just a quick breakdown of our blogs. Just scroll down to the bottom of our page if you want to join our email list. You'll get daily blogs sent to you. It's free content. There's me and there's Dave, our avatars. We have some testimonials and everything from members. Guys, we have social media here. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. The free Telegram chat, the free Telegram group is pinned at the top of the chat box. And guys, all you got to do is just put in your email here to join the newsletter. And if you do want to take your trading to the next level and you do sign up with us for $30 a month, then these are our back-end courses, webinars, tutorials, introduction, pips, lots, leverage, spreads, different order types, how to properly use stop losses, what are they. Course 1, Introduction to Candlesticks. Guys, we're candlestick traders, we're price action traders. We break down each and individual candlestick pattern. There's 23 individual candlesticks. Then we get into support and resistance, supply demand zones, what I talk about. We break that down so you'll understand that. Uptrends, downtrends. Then we go into chart patterns, bullish flag patterns, bearish flag patterns, triangles. We get into reversal patterns, okay, M and W, head and shoulders. We break down technical indicators. I know a lot of you guys love using simple movement averages, exponential. You guys like Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci's. RSI, MACD, stochastics. We break all those things down for you. And then we also have webinars throughout the week. We record them. If you can't make them, we record them and we upload them to the website. So we have a lot of value, guys. It's real mentorship, guys. If you really want to take your trading to the next level, we would love to have you guys on the team. If not, guys, if you guys are enjoying YouTube, just make sure to subscribe to YouTube, hit the like button during the videos, and you guys get free content on YouTube. But for the traders that want to take their trading to the next level, we would love to have you guys on the team. It's a fast growing team. Our sniper team is getting real strong, a lot of knowledgeable traders. If you guys need help in prop firm challenges, FTMO funding talent, we have a lot of our members who are going through those challenges, past the challenges. We have members that have elite accounts, and we also have members that are cashing out bi-weekly. So anything that you guys need to help you with if you're doing those challenges, we have a strong team. We have members in FTMO and we have members in funding talent as well. Okay, so guys, I just want to on the Nasdaq right here, see that pullback? That was a quick pullback, and then look, then it comes down with a bearish engulfing candle and coming down. Okay, so don't counter trade if you guys aren't familiar with counter trading, guys. Trade with the trend. The trend is your friend, and go with it. Okay, that was a small pullback, and now it's getting a bearish engulfing candle. It could come down further. Okay, so look at the US30 as well. Okay, it's coming back down. Okay, so that was a nice big correction coming right back up to where it started, but now it could be coming down. Okay, and we'll see the rest of the day how it trades. Guys, there was the world news that we saw. So, and tomorrow, guys, tomorrow's going to be a big morning, guys. Look at New York folder for tomorrow. Forex Factory, guys, this is a great free website. Tomorrow we got, look at 8:30 a.m., guys. US dollar, red folder, core retail sales month over month. US dollar, red folder, retail sales month over month. This is going to be huge for the US economy. Okay, tomorrow 8:30 we're going to see some big volatility, and it doesn't stop there. Then we go into 9:15 industrial production month over month. We're gonna have business inventories, housing market, a lot of stuff tomorrow. And then also, guys, at 1:30 p.m., Mr. Uncle Jerome Powell will be speaking over here. So red folder. So we could get some volatility in the afternoon tomorrow. So big day tomorrow in the markets, guys. We'll be doing New York live. So join us tomorrow. How do you get in the VIP after purchase? The links are all there. Just follow the links. You can join the VIP group and also the VIP chat, brother. But we'll message you. Make sure to message us, but all the links are there. Z, thank you for joining. Great session as well, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I got a few things to do, but it was an excellent call, guys. Gold is continuing to hold support and could look to break out, guys. So watch for gold to break out above here, 1787. We could be targeting 1788 and then possibly 1790 on gold. Okay. But guys, we appreciate you guys. Thank you to everybody that joined this call from London, guys. Respect to you guys as well. I know it's you guys are tired too. I know a lot of you guys came from London back here. But guys, rest, guys. Don't get burnt out trading. Okay, trading is 24 hours a day. You always got to stay fresh when you're trading. That way your brain is not tired, so you don't make mistakes. Believe me, because when I'm tired too, guys, I make some silly mistakes. But it's just being tired. So my body tells me, guys, that's enough. Don't get greedy. Wrap it up. Go get some rest and come back fresh for another session. So you guys will learn that too. Believe me, because we've scalped 10-hour sessions straight, guys, and we will do that on YouTube for you guys. We'll show you full session trading, but you have to be alert for that. Okay, guys. Appreciate all of you guys. Naeem from Spain, appreciate you, bro. Epic Baba, you should have started this live stream long time back, but still not too late. So many people blew their accounts due to wrong knowledge, but you're a true legend. Thanks again, bro. I love that. Mohammed, respect, Habibi. Love your content. Thank you, bro. To everybody out there, guys, we do this for you guys. So just if you guys are getting a lot of value and content out of our free YouTube channel, we appreciate you guys. Just continue with the likes. Sharing the videos with your friends and family really helps help us with the energy here, so Dave and I can continue streaming, because we're also working with our snipers in the mentorship program too, guys. Idris from Turkey. I had a trip planned with the family. We were going to Antalya and Berat for 2 weeks, but before COVID started. So I will be visiting Turkey again to Antalya as soon as this COVID is done. But I love Turkey, so we'll be in Antalya very, very soon. Um, Axel, great commentary during the session. Thanks. No worries, guys. Hopefully, you guys took a little bit of knowledge from today's session. And, guys, join Dave tonight for Tokyo. Yeah, Antalya, we had a beautiful, beautiful trip there for 2 weeks. Do you charge extra for the mentorship? Yeah, a mentorship program is $1 a day, guys. $1 a day. It's $29.99 a month to be part of the mentorship group. And there's a lot of stuff you guys get in there. You get trade ideas, recaps, the courses, the tutorials I just showed you guys. You get to be put in the sniper chat room, and in the private Zoom sessions with us where we do some trading as well. Okay, guys. So I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much. Dave's will be, this is our channel. Dave and I, we're like brothers. We're brothers from different mothers, okay? So if I'm not streaming, my man Dave is streaming. If Dave is streaming, then I'm relaxing and we flip-flop. But this is the channel, one channel, Stock Sniper Trading on YouTube. Just hit the notification bell and we stream every day. We stream New York and Tokyo and London are bonus sessions, guys, okay? Because for us, where we are, we got to get up at 2:30 a.m. or 3 a.m. Eastern, okay? But awesome, guys. So just watch gold breaking out here. I'll just recap really fast before I go. US30, it's in this consolidation, it's in this accumulation distribution area, okay? So we'll see now, guys. The markets might cool off a little bit going into the afternoon. There's going to be a break for New York Stock Exchange from 12 to 1 p.m. and then we'll go into trading power hour end of day, guys. But join Dave tonight, guys. Catch some pips with Dave tonight for Tokyo. He starts around 9 p.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss out on that, guys. Just knowledge throughout the day, throughout all the sessions, guys. But yeah, I like gold today, guys. We'll see where gold can go. Keith, Epic Baba's rich today. Congrats. I'm glad to be part of that. Epic Baba, enjoy your money, brother. Enjoy those profits. Guys, don't get greedy. Always scale out of positions. Leave a small runner. But get your pips and dip, guys. Don't get greedy because you guys can see the markets are very, very volatile, okay? So they could come back and retrace real fast, okay? So number one thing, advice I can give you guys is trade with proper risk management, guys. Don't over leverage your accounts. Don't use high lot sizes that aren't accustomed for your account, guys. Trade proper lot sizes. If you want to become a consistent trader and do this consistently daily, you have to trade with the proper lot sizes. Do not over leverage your accounts. That is one of the biggest mistakes that traders make, new traders, and that's why 95% of them fail. It's not because they're bad traders, it's because they don't understand risk management or account management, guys. It's simple mathematics. If it's a certain amount of money you have in your account, you can't be risking 10, 20, 30% of your account on one trade. Because if that trade goes wrong, you lost half your account. You shouldn't be trading more than 2% per trade of your entire account, guys. And then eventually when you start to grow your account, compound those pips, then you can start to increase your lot size, guys. But get the chips and dip. Get the pips and dip. That's what it is. That's the name of the game, especially scalping these volatile markets, guys. Sam, with gold moving like this, how are we not supposed to over leverage? Use a proper lot size. Depending on how much money you have in your account, don't over leverage. Like, for example, if you have $1,000 in your account and you're using a standard lot and you have a 10 pip stop loss, you lose 100 US dollars. You've lost 10% of your entire account. That is over leveraging. You never want to do that, okay? Anytime you're risking more than 3% of your entire account, that's over leveraging, okay? That's what you guys got to learn. A lot of new traders that we get in our mentorship group, a lot of the feedback we're getting is they're over leveraging. That's the mistake number one. So we correct that, and now they're doing very well in the markets. So guys, just understand proper account and risk management, and always respect your stop loss, guys. Don't trade naked with no stop loss, because The market will humble you real fast with one 5-minute candle that will clean out everything, guys. Okay. So I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I appreciate every one of you guys on this call. Thank you so much. There was more than 100 viewers, guys. Just hit the likes, subscribe to the channel. If you can share these videos with your friends that want to learn any about Forex, we would love to have them come on our YouTube channel and grow with us. Thank you so much, guys. Honestly, we really do appreciate each individual all around the world, guys. Trading is international, guys. I love the culture. I love the diversity. God bless all of you guys. And join Dave tonight. I'll be back. We'll see how London session, how it goes. Those are pop-up sessions. But I will be back 100% tomorrow morning for New York. Big red folders. But join Dave tonight for Tokyo. He's an amazing trader, and you guys can catch a lot of pips during the Tokyo session. And gold is continuing to break out, guys. So if you guys continue to trade, have a great day trading. I wish you guys all the best, and we'll see you guys later on. Thank you so much for joining today. It was a pleasure trading with you guys. Thank you, guys. I love the energy today. It was awesome. We'll see you guys. Have a good day, guys. Everybody, take care. God bless. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys.